Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, here to another video. So today we'll be looking at a couple of pairs. I think it's NZDUSD, USDJPY, and EURGBP. So let's start with NZDUSD. Let's clear the chart first so that we can start on a clean slate. So at NZDUSD we can mark up this low and this high, because of the market has been ranging between this area for a long time. Every time the market gets to those highs, it fails to break above. Every time it gets to these lows, it fails to break below. So this is our range. Let's dive in deeper and mark out some areas of interest within that range. Let's mark out areas of interest within that range so that you can know how to react whenever the market comes to those areas. So based off of the current trend, we can see that the market has been pushing very strong to the upside. It even broke this level here, but then it hasn't given up that nice retest structure over there that we can actually go long. So that what must be done here is just to give the market some time to actually play around this area, give us a little push towards the upside, a good retest, and a proper structure for us to actually go in with the buys to the overall high over there. So let's mark out the supply area here. Let's mark out this high supply area over here, because of it's a strong supply zone over there on a daily time frame. It's a strong supply area over there. That's where whenever we'll go for those buys, we'll be looking to take profit around that area here. For all we could know, the market could just be faking out here, and for the upcoming week it could actually reject and actually push towards the downside. But just because of the market has been bullish, it's ideal for us to say, okay, we have a bullish sentiment, which means we are overall looking for those buys, but we'll allow the market to react first and then we will follow. So looking at the current trend, I see very nice structure over here, which was kind of like a base area over here. Okay, I see a very nice area over there. Okay, let me just mark out this area over here. Yeah. So looking at this trend, you can see that starting from this demand area here, let's just mark it out, green for demand. All right, here's another one here. So this area, all these areas have been causing a break of structure to the upside. This one caused a break of structure. This is a very nice one over here. It is also around a strong support area here. So this is a very strong area over here. Supply, actually no, sorry, this is demand with a resistance over here. That's why the market has been failing to break below here, and it shot straight all the way to the upside. So notice how the market failed to retest this area from last week when we said we were waiting for the market to retest to go for those overall buys. The market didn't actually retest. It shot straight up. It shot all the way to the upside without giving us that retest at this area that we were looking for, but it actually gave a nice structure at this area. So it would really be ideal to see the market covering this inefficiency to this base, and that's when we can actually look for those overall buyers over there, because we also have a nice demand here, an area that put in those highs, and it's a very strong nice area here with inefficiency. The market pushed very strong to the upside. So I'd really like to see the market coming all the way to the downside, giving me a bullish structure, saying that no, I want to push to the upside. Buyers are coming in now. Or at the current market structure, this is clear on a daily time frame, the market could push all the a little bit to the upside, give me a retest structure, and then shoot to the upside. That's how I'll actually be looking forward to on NZDUSD for the upcoming week. So if we change and check out USDJPY, USDJPY has been very bearish. So let's mark out this low, the previous low, and the high over there. Notice how the market has been melting at this current trend. The market has been melting very nice. Let me just mark out all these areas of interest. This one here, and let's just mark out this area here, because of the market has been supporting at this area and failing to break, has been supporting previously. And let's mark out this area here, this one here, and this one, which is the closest to the current market price. This will be our direction. So from here we can see that the market has been very bearish, chances are we are going all the way to the downside. So let's just start by looking all this area here. The market has tapped into it, but it's like the market wants to give another retest to the downside. Let's dive in deeper to check what we can see from a lower time frame. Notice how the market has been melting. All that has been doing is just melting, going to the downside. So what I'd really be looking forward to for the upcoming week at this current market trend, it's these areas here. These are my recent areas of interest. So I'll be looking into this one. This is a very nice supply over there, but the market failed to test it. It also pushed this one, notice how the market has been failing to get to those areas. The market has been fake. It's been giving us those retests, but it doesn't tap into the area. It leaves a couple of pips, it pushes. It leaves a couple of pips, it pushes. So this is our current break of structure here, and the market has left this order block over here. The market has left this or the block over here. So what I really like to see is on USDJPY as the market to push towards the upside and then give me that nice retest over there and continue to melt with it all the way to the downside. Then I'll continue to melt with it all the way to the downside, because I can't take any other trade other than that one, because the market is very bearish. The market is very bearish. So buyers will only come if the market can actually break above the trend, shoot all the way to the upside, retest this area, and then we can look for those swing buys all the way to the upside. But at current market structure, we can see that we are very bearish. So it would just be ideal for us to align with the current market trend. So that's what we're looking forward to at USDJPY for this week. Clean and easy. EURGBP is also melting very nicely. EURGBP is melting very nicely. So let's mark up the previous low and the high. So this is our supply that has been pushing the market to the downside. So let's mark up the areas of interest first with horizontal lines. It's a very nice area over there, a very nice area over there, a very nice area over there, and this one over here is just, this is where market has kind of like been playing out recently. So for all we could know is that, let's go diving deeper first. Notice how, let's just move this. Notice how the market has been breaking structure at the current trend to the downside. Break of structure to the downside. Here's another one here, and then the market broke structure to the downside. Here's another area over here. Notice how the market also at EURGBP, the market has been failing to tap inside these order blocks, actually filling them and mitigating them. The market has been failing to tap. It gives us a retest. So the previous retest was in a form of a flag. The previous retest was in the form of a flag over here. This is a very nice flag, and the market continued to melt to the downside. So at the current market structure, I'd really like to see something like this playing out, the market reversing to this area before I could look for that market shift and go for overall sales, and go for those overall sales to the downside, because the market has been very bearish. I don't want to trade the retest. I simply just wait for the market to react and I will follow. Another entry, it will be like allowing the market to break to the downside, give me a young retest yana, then I'll be continuing with it all the way to this low. Buyers will only come if the market can actually break above this resistance, shoot above this supply, consolidate, give us a structure, and shoot all the way to the upside. But other than that, we are overall bearish on Euro GBP. So it will just be allowing the market to do what it does, and I will simply just follow. But this is my high probability setup over there. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and share it, and comment something on the comment section. Just let us know what we can improve and do for the future videos. Yes, till infinity. Yes, sir.